Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to add a voice recording. Practitioners can record themselves using the voice record screen, which features real-time transcription, facilitating convenient storage of notes and easy integration into active forms or external documents. This enhances the overall efficiency of the documentation process by streamlining the recording and retrieval of information. This transcription can easily be copied and pasted into the active form or any external documents, enhancing the overall efficiency of the documentation process. In this video, we will start on a quick note form which is on the clinical case screen. For more information regarding the quick note form, please refer to the quick note user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Add Voice Recording button to open the voice record screen. Your internet browser will ask you to allow and give permission for the use of your microphone if permission has not previously been granted. Click on the Allow button. To start, name your voice note by clicking on the Enter Description field. Click on a Select Input Device drop-down menu and select the microphone you intend to use if multiple microphones are available on your device. Click on a Select Transcription Language drop-down menu and choose either English or Afrikaans for the language in which you wish to transcribe this session. When you are ready, click on a microphone button to start recording the desired audio. The microphone button will change to a pause button and flash red whilst the recording is happening.
This is an example of a voice recording.
Should you require a momentary pause or break, simply click on the pause button. The transcriber will automatically populate the text box. When the recording is paused, you can view the recorded content by clicking on the Listen button. Here, you have the flexibility to drag the playtime of the audio recording along the slider and adjust the volume to your preference. Click on the vertical ellipse button. Now, you may select either to download the audio recording or adjust the playback speed of the recording. When ready to resume, click on the Record button once more. Click on a Clear Recording button to permanently remove the audio recording and related transcription. To upload an existing audio file, click on a Load from External Upload button. For more information regarding this, please refer to how to add a voice recording from the Capture app user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Copy to Clipboard button to copy the transcribed text and paste the information into an external document as desired. Click on a Copy to Text Area button to copy the transcribed text directly into the relevant text box of where the recording has been made. Once you're satisfied with the voice note, click on a Save button. After saving the audio, the new voice note integrates into the form where the recording was initially made.